Hello and welcome. In this video, I would like to take up a couple of quiz questions that I gave to my grade 12 college math class, MAP4C. It's a very interesting question, as a matter of fact, and it can be useful to be considered by any grade level in high school, as a matter of fact. So let's get started. So here I have a diagram, and that's what stands out first. And I'm going to read the problem. Determine the minimum surface area of a rectangular prism box with lid that could just hold 24 cans of mango juice in 6 rows of 4 cans. So first, I like to take a look at the diagram and the unit measurements I'm given. So this is in a cylindrical shape, and it measures 95 millimeters for the height and 5 centimeters for this indicated length in here. So it seems that we are given the diameter of 5 centimeters and we are given the height, which seems to be 9.5 centimeters. It's very important to convert the unit measurements to the same unit measurements in the problem. So I would convert millimeters into centimeters. And now I'm going to think of how they will be arranged in a box. If I had a box of 24 cans and I want to arrange them in a 6x4 arrangement, that means that here goes one of the bottoms of the can. That's important to consider. And what I'm going to do is I will simply copy and paste this same circle 24 times. So just be patient with me and I will be done very soon. So it's kind of fun in the meantime, just doing this. It's like playing a game, sort of. So thanks to my very smart iPad. All right, so let me see how many I've made so far. So 12, so I need as many as I have in here. Okay, I'm gonna do something smarter. So since I already have 4 12, and I am going to actually arrange them. So I will rearrange them in rows 4 by 6 and here, and do something a bit clever. I should have thought this before. I kept on pasting so many circles, but better late than never. And I'll do this, and now I'm gonna do this another time, and I will paste it. So see, it's a lot easier, and all I have to do now is make another one. All right, it just adds a little bit of a, excitement to the problem, just drawing the correct diagram. So here is the arrangement that we are supposed to make here. And since the radius is 5 centimeters, the diameter is 5 centimeters, sorry, that means that we're going to have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, so 6 of them. So we're going to need a box with length of 30 centimeters. And the width of the box has to be 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, or 5 times 4, 20 centimeters. Now the height must actually accommodate, height of the box must accommodate the height of the mango juice, and it says that we need to find the minimum surface area, which means we don't need any spaces in the box. So if you create the box, you can imagine that the height will be about 9 centimeters, 9.5. So we're going to say that the measurements of the box we're building are 30 by 20 by 9. So that means that the surface area would be double of the product 30 by 20, that's the base, plus the product of the height 9.5 by the length 30, plus the height of 9.5 times 20. Okay, remember this is going to be a rectangular base prism, and it will approximately look like this. All right, and then you, oopsie. Okay, so that wasn't supposed to happen. Okay, I'm gonna do it faster this way. Okay, so let me put them on top of each other. That's how you build a box in no time. And look, it looks perfect. Oops, I jinxed it. Here we go. So this is going to be our box, and it will measure 30 by 20, and then by 9.5. So if you put them all together to find the surface area, then you will find that the surface area would equal, just put the numbers in the calculator, and you will find the value of 2,150. That would be in centimeters squared. And this is one of the options. This is given as a multiple choice, so this is one of the options viable here, and that's the one that you have to select.